Guys, I want you to see the amount of growth I gathered in just a month. Yes, it is actually true that your hair grows naturally from your scalp, but hope you know there are a lot of things that can stop your hair from growing the way it should. And it is also true that you can use herbs to revive your hair growth rate. If you have not been using herbs, if you have not tried herbs, I don't know your reason. Like, you have to give me a very strong reason why you do not use herbs, why you do not incorporate herbs in your hair growth routine. Guys, rosemary is one of the strongest herb for hair growth, and I used this for a month. A lot of you that know me will know that I have been using rosemary since January, and the result has been unbelievable. For someone that grew her hair from this to this, I can honestly tell you that you should start using herbs, most especially rosemary. You should incorporate rosemary in your hair growth routine. And guys, in this video, I will show you how I use this. Yes, if you want to learn how to make this, I will put up the link. It will be up, or it will also be in the description box. You can check how I made this and you can make yours and join me in this challenge because I'm not stopping anytime soon. So guys, this is how I use this. I spray this on my hair each and every single day. Yes, I use rosemary on my scalp each and every single day. For you to be able to see a good result, you have to use this every day. Yes, I've checked, I've studied about this. You can check for yourself, you can browse about it. For you to see the effectiveness of rosemary, you have to use it consistently. But guys, do not overdo it. Like, you can just do it once in a day. And then, guys, if you cannot do it once in a day, just try as much as possible to do it, let's say 4 times every single week. So, this is what I do. I spray this all over my scalp. Yes, I spray this all over my scalp, and I make sure that it goes round into every single part of my scalp. This is me making sure that it is penetrating into my scalp. Please, as you are spraying it, you have to use your hand to massage this in. Yes, make sure you are massaging this in, guys. If you are suffering from any form of baldness, if you're suffering from breakage, if you're suffering from excessive shedding, or you just feel like your hair is not just growing, you're having stunted growth, guys, rosemary is the strongest herb that you can use for hair growth. But you have to know that if you use this the wrong way, you will break off your hair. Yes, your strands will start breaking off, and you wouldn't want that at all. So that is why I am here showing you the right way that you can achieve growth with this herb. I'm sure you can see how thick and full my hair is looking. Yes, if I do not use herbs, I'm not sure that my hair will be this healthy and thick. Your hair grows naturally from your scalp, but then if you do not follow up by taking care of it, by giving it the right food, giving it food that can help it to be able to stay healthy, I assure you your hair will not be really looking so good like this. Guys, it's just like your body. You have to take in good food to be able to maintain yourself. If not, you're going to fall sick, right? Yes, it is the same thing with your hair. You cannot just say, my hair is growing from my scalp naturally, so let it just grow. I'm not going to put anything on it. It is a lie. You have to look for things that will benefit your hair. Yes, things that will be nutritious to your hair. Yes. For people that do not take good care of their hair, for people that do not think that it is important for them to take good care of their hair, they actually experience shedding, breakage, baldness. You see that a lot of them are having receding hairlines and serious scalp issues. Hope you know there are some people that do not even wash their hair at all, and then it is so bad. It is so bad, guys. You have to take care of your hair. Yes, most especially with herbs. Like I said, incorporate herbs and they will help you. So this is me oiling my scalp. Yes, after I spray my rosemary spray all over my scalp, I'll make sure to oil every single part of my scalp. This is so that my hair will not break off. If you know rosemary, you know that it is really drying. Rosemary is one herb that will dry off your hair if you don't use it properly. So that is why I am using my moisturize my hair every single day. That is why you're not seeing me using a leave-in conditioner and a hair butter. I moisturize my hair 3 times every single week. So for those days, I will just spray my hair with the spray and I'll just go ahead to use my leave-in conditioner and my hair butter to seal in moisture, and then I go in with my hair oil for my scalp. Yes. So after doing all these things, you have to make sure to massage everything in together. Yes, massaging your scalp helps with blood circulation, and that is really important for hair growth. By the way, my hair is 1 month old. Yes, my cornrows is 1 month, and I will be taking it down very soon. And I may be installing mini braids, yes, or I will still make cornrows. I don't know yet. I'm not certain. But then with whichever protective style, I will still be using my rosemary and I will still be using it because of the results I have seen. When they said that rosemary is the strongest herb for hair growth, they didn't lie because I have tasted it for 2 months. Yes, I started using it since January, and then, guys, honestly, my hair growth rate actually increased. Yes, and I am not even joking about it. I will do a measurement in my next video so you can see it. If you have questions, please ask me in the comment section. I will be here to respond. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.